Huwag natin kalimutan na si Joel Villanueva was dismissed from public service noong 2016 at pinatawan ng perpetual absolute disqualification from public service dahil sa 10 million na PDAP scandal. Yung pondo, pinadaan sa isang bogus na NGO at wala namang proyektong nangyari. In other words, it was a ghost project. Ombudsman Martires then assumed office and transparency greatly suffered. Hindi lang pala access to SALN ng public officials ang pinahirapan ni Ombudsman Martires. Apart from so many questionable decisions na alam natin, yung iba, secret pa pala. Not a single media outlet knew of this alleged dismissal way back 2019 pa pala. It is clear that this was deliberately made in secret so that the public will be deprived of their legal and political remedies. Sinadyang tinago ito sa publiko ng dating ombudsman at ni Villanueva mismo. Nakakapagtaka, hindi ba kung akusado ka sa isang iskandalo at ikaw ay napawalang sala, sasabihin mo yun sa publiko because it is a moment of vindication. The behavior of Senator Villanueva of not disclosing this to the public is contrary to human nature and the circumstances are, at the very least, suspect. Something is not right. We need to get to the bottom of things kung bakit itinago sa publiko ang desisyon na ito. I submit that there is grave abuse of discretion on the part of Ombudsman Martires, and I argue that this decision is invalid for one, or excess of jurisdiction. But for now, agyaman na. Attorney Dino Diren po, and this is Bite Size Batas.